Yes, welcome back children. In the last class we discussed about the two types of government, that is monarchy and the democracy. We know about the democracy government, the head of the country is elected by the people. In that the person who elected by the people want to explain their actions, and also they want to explain their decisions why they take. The second form of government is monarchy government, that here the king or the queen has the power to make decision and run the government. They are not elected by the people. There can be a group of people to discuss the matter, but final remains with the monarch. There is a lot of people, that ministers also there in their court. They have the power to discuss the matter. They have the power to give the decision, but the final decision remains with the monarch, that means the king. Here, they do not need to explain or defend their actions and decision. Okay, yes, listen. Now we can discuss. Do you think it is important for people to be involved in decisions that affect them? Give two reasons for your answers. What they are asking, if people also involved to taking decisions in the government decisions, is there any default, is there any effect is there? Then which type of government would you prefer to have in the place you live in? Why? Whether you need the king's rule, or you need elected persons to rule, that is democracy. Then which of the statements below is correct? Correct those sentences that you think need correction. In a monarchy, the country's citizens are allowed to elect whomever they want. So listen children, the third question is, which of the statements below is correct? Okay. Then correct those sentences that you think need correction. Which sentence you need correction? In a democracy, a king has absolute powers to rule the country. Then option C, in a monarchy, people can raise their questions about the decisions the monarch takes. Which sentence is correct here? Nothing is correct. Nothing is correct here. In a monarchy, that means it's a king's rule. Country citizens are allowed to elect whomever they want. Okay. If they allowed means it's good. Then in a democracy, a king has absolute powers to rule the country. There is no king in the democratic country. Okay. Then in a monarchy, people can raise questions about the decision the monarch takes. Is it possible? Asking the questions against the kings, why they have taken these decisions, everything? No. Then, now you want to know about the democratic country. Yes, what is called democratic? According to Abraham, it is of the people, and by the people, and for the people. Okay, here government means what? It is of the people. Okay, government of the people. Who made that government? It is made by the people. The government want to work for whom? It is work for the people. Government of the people, government by the people, and government for the people. Okay, the government means that is people only. It is made by the people. It is work for the people. Okay. Yes, that is the real democracy. Okay, here India is a democratic country because we selected our what? We selected our representative and head of the nation. Okay, yes, then here these things in our country done by the democratic, okay, education, laws, ju- uh, judiciary and everything. Okay, yeah, okay. It is the people who give power to the government through which elections in which they vote for a particular person and elect him or her. In every 5 years in India, we select the persons. Okay, that persons make the government for 5 years. Okay, in that 5 years, they want to do the service for the public or welfare for the people. Okay, after election such people form the government. They have to explain their actions to the people and define their actions. Okay, yes, before we go to the power to the people, before yes, vote. Democracy means what? The people vote and select a representative. Dictatorship means they select one person and all the people of the country should obey that person's word. Okay, that's it. There is no election. Republic, that means so many states. India is a republic country also. That means what? So many states together make the India. Yes or no? Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Karnataka, like that, so many small part united and give a whole country. That's called republic. Then aristocracy, there also they elected one people and they should follow their word. And in the monarchy government there is no choice. Everyone want to follow the king's words only. Okay, yes, before go to the, let's revise, you just recap. Yes, here these are the few points. The government makes laws and everyone in the country has to follow them. Okay, first we know the what is government, then what the government to do, that is public welfare, and then why do we need a government. If there is no government rules and regulations in the country, there is no good life for the citizens of that country. Then, as the government has the power to make decisions, we, the people, give the power to them make the decision. Okay, children? Yes, it also has the power to enforce its decision. Then, the people in the same way can take steps if they feel that a particular law is not being followed. They can approach the court. Yes, if a person worked and he didn't get proper salary, they can approach the court. Finally, the court what saying? That is the final. The court is the final authority and can order what should be done in such cases. The types of government, that is democracy. Here we saw the democracy and monarchy in your book. Okay, that is enough. First you monarchy government. The king or the queen has the power to make decision and run the government. They are not elected by the people, because if the one king died, his son will become the king. After him, his son will become the king. After him, his son will become the king. whether they are eligible for that posting or not, but they only the king. Whether he was a 3 years, whether he is a 3 years old or 10 years old, they will be the king. Okay, there can be a group of people to discuss matter, but final decision remains with the monarch. Okay, whatever, there is a lot of people are there to discuss the things, but the final decisions taken by the king only. They do not need to explain or defend their action and decision. Okay, the next one is democratic government. You just give this answer, give the answer for this. Yes, India is a democratic country. This achievement is the result even after a eventful, after the independence, we made a independent, that is a democratic country. That means we elect our own leader. Okay, yes, this achievement is the result of long and eventful struggle of the Indian people. There are other places in the world where people have also struggled to have democracies. Yes, children, democratic governments in our times are usually referred to as representative democracies. In representative democracies, people do not participate directly, but instead choose their representative through an election process. These representatives meet and make their decisions, and they have to explain. Yes. It is the people who give power to the government through election, in which they vote for a particular person and elect him or her. After election, such people form the government. In India, every 5 years we are making the government. They have to explain their actions to the people and define their decision. We have the power. Yes, these are the forms of government: democracy, dictatorship, republic, aristocracy and monarchy. Now, list the 2 types of government along with the examples. Yes, the 2 types of government, democracy and monarchy. What are the examples? Which country we can give example for this democratic? Good example is India. Then monarchy, we can give China, Japan and England. Okay, then what can people do if a particular law is not being followed? They can go to the court. In the fundamental rights itself, we can know right to constitutional remedy. Yes or no? We learnt. Yes, no? We learnt in the 5th grade. The 6th fundamental right is constitutional remedy. That only here they are saying. If a particular law is not being followed, they can go to the court. The government has to take its decision to the people. India is a democratic country. Name 2 essential features of a democratic country. In the democratic form of country, the head of the country or the head of the nation elected by the people. Okay, and that persons or the government want to explain their actions. They must explain their actions and the decision to the people. The basic idea of democracy is that is give the power indirectly ruled by the people. Dash is the other name of for a democratic government. It is the government of people. Okay, dear? Yes, next session we will complete this lesson. Okay, just you go through your book, read your book well and try to give the answers. Okay, read your book, write these questions in your CW and give the own answers. Thank you children. Take care. Bye.